Today will be our first time training at Nishok's new apartment gym. We are hitting upper body together and I'm excited to explore some new machines. We got some white monster action going on here. So let's get that caffeine in us. Our Bobby Nishok wants some coaching tips. He wants to learn how to effectively train his back. He feels like he's not engaging his lats well. Also, Bobby's, look what I'm wearing today. The foam runners after 2 whole years. I made that sneaker video a couple of days back and I got tempted to put these foam runners back to use. भाई जब भी मैं अपनी कार लेके निशोक के अपार्टमेंट में आता हूँ तो इसके सारे अपार्टमेंट वाले सोचते हैं कि ये कौन गलीच आ गया भाई, ये गंदगी हमारे अपार्टमेंट में क्या कर रही है. Guys, Nishok's door is open. His door is open. I'm sneaking into his house. He's there. He's there. I'm gonna scare him now. Okay.
I don't know. Yes? What I was speaking to.
Even Luna got scared, guys. Chill. Alright, Bobbies, we're now heading towards the gym. Bro, Nishok, put my dabba in the fridge.
Oh, yeah, come.
I brought food, guys. I ate half while coming and the rest I'll eat after workout.
Bro, this is that same car where you get like drinks and all that, no?
Yeah, this is alcohol cover. I went to buy drinks for my dad.
Yeah, today coaching you're giving?
Yeah, free coaching for you.
Sorry.
See what shoe I wore.
Bro. I
saw?
was gonna comment, okay? I was like, bro, this guy annihilates the shoe, bro. Fucking wears it to cricket and all.
Yeah, back when I used to wear this, like a couple of years back, I used to wear this to cricket.
Yeah, like what the fuck is wrong with him?
This shoe can survive a nuclear attack, bro. And considering that there are war situations right now, you need shoes that can
No
survive.
doubt, okay. But if you're gonna be spending, bro, I have one shoe which is like 9k, 10k, okay? My Air Force. Bro, I keep it like fucking, it's gold, bro.
Yeah, I understand.
Like, Mohit's just spent 1 lakh on shoes and looks like it's fucking beat to death.
Bro, I guess I am one of those people who doesn't mind putting that one-time investment.
Yeah.
But maintenance-wise, I suck.
Yeah, you suck at maintenance. If you get a car, you'd probably ram it all over the place.
That is why I'll only get a car that I can financially afford to screw up. Right?
Quid, bro, makes sense.
Quid makes sense for that. Now, even if it dents, gets dirty, like I love the car, but at least it doesn't hurt if there's a scratch or anything.
And if your area bobbies come and like slam into the car.
Oh, that has happened by the way. You know, this one time my car was parked in my area. Somebody just took a keychain and signed their name on my car. That's why you should get a car which, you can afford to fuck up. In your case, what would that be, bro? Nano?
Chance, bro. Whatever car I get, I'm not screwing it up.
Bobbies.
What's up, bro? Bro, come in. I got a sexy pair of new stickers, bro. Huh? West.
He bought new gym clothes.
Okay. Looks full sexy, huh? Something
Yeah.
you would really like.
I'm wearing something similar to what you're wearing today.
Yeah, he's wearing the same thing.
Just like me.
Cut off I'm wearing.
Just like me.
Hey, I got you a white monster.
It's thanks.
This.
He fell for it.
He also fell for it.
Wait, don't worry, I got it covered.
See, this is why he's my friend, bro.
What is it? Muscle blazer?
Yeah, bro.
Guys, code big man. Code big man, guys.
Bro,
Hey, but listen, bro. People are complaining that there are too many muscle blaze ads on my channel.
Bro.
First of all, I am not doing the ads. Those are YouTube ads. And if you're seeing those ads, that means you're a brokey. You don't have YouTube Premium.
Hey, I'm on your side. Even I get full muscle blaze ads. I don't have
I don't
premium.
get, bro. Fucking premium.
Yeah, he has Premium. So if you're getting ads on my channel, it's because you don't have Premium. You're a brokey. Don't blame it on me. Okay? I am barely making any money. Bro, 100 rupees I'm making. For that also, these guys have a problem. They are selling Mohit has become a sellout. I just turned on monetization on this channel. I'm not even doing any brand collabs. It's just performance ads that you're getting. So just buy YouTube Premium, da. Don't be a brokey. Stop complaining.
Spending like 1 lakh for fucking every 4 videos. Bro, minimum every 5 videos he's spending 60k, bro.
I mean, this month was high because of Ruchi's wedding.
Oh, Ruchi's wedding.
Bobby's first exercise of the day, some lateral raises.
Those sounds remind me of last night.
Moving on to some pressing now. We're gonna do a shoulder press. Smith machine, shoulder press. Ooh. Nishok's Smith machine is very weird, guys.
Yeah, guys, I bought it now.
That was a good set, bro. By the way, my delts are probably my weakest body part, but I've seen decent growth over the last...
bro.
What?
Striations.
Striations, yeah. I've been saying it is my weakest body part, but over the last few months, I'm seeing decent progress, at least front end. Bobbies, we now move on to a converging chest press. Now, a converging chest press is a great exercise for the pecs because the converging mechanism, it just accommodates for your natural shoulder mechanics. So you feel the pecs a lot better. The setup for this is actually fairly simple, but a lot of people make this mistake where they stick their butt too far back. I would recommend that let the butt slide forward a bit, keep the ribs up, and then press. Ooh. Done with the workout, Bobbies. After the chest press, we did some bicep and tricep. Now it's time to go eat. Yo, all the girls in the comments, hit him up, he's single.
You have girls in your comment section? Yeah, bro.
I think there are at least 2 girls, bro. Eating my dabba, Bobbies. Post-workout nutrition. Alright, Bobbies. Done with my food. We've now come to Zudio. Nishok wants to buy a shirt for the concert that we're going on Sunday. And look at him dressed like Salman Khan. Oh, jaane jana. Dance, bro. Dhoonde tujhe diwana. Here we are at Zudio. Nishok's come in banyan so that he can put on clothes directly.
Yeah, bro. Get it from here only, I'll take.
Yeah, no need to go to changing room.
There you go, bro.
Guys, no luck so far. Nishok has not found anything.
Yeah, not my vibe. Not my vibe.
Not his vibe, it seems.
I can't be the face of Nishok too rich for Zudio and all.
Oh, Nishok too rich for Zudio, yes. He finds something and then he says, it looks like Zudio.
Aukat.
Aukat, Bobbies, Aukat. I told you, no, this guy spends the most on clothes. Only Calvin Klein he wants. Alright, Bobbies, now we're going to this supermarket underneath Zudio to grab a quick snack.
Guys, this is a fucking
Oh yeah, these are
haunted shit, bro. It's so good.
What is this show?
You know, this?
I don't recall.
Bro, this bro. How was it?
Yeah, how did I get fat, bro? Like, I've never eaten any of this. Bobbies, we got Cheetos from the supermarket.
masala balls.
Masala balls. We were supposed to get something healthy, but Kavan's like, fuck health. Yeah, we're now sitting in Nishok's apartment clubhouse, contemplating what to do next. Bobbies, we are on our way to Indiranagar right now. I know it's very impromptu, but we'd like to go back to make up for the terrible experience we had yesterday. Kavan was so frustrated in yesterday's vlog because he didn't get any nice food. So we are going back to Smash Guys to get a nice burger and maybe some mac and cheese. Right, Nishok?
Yeah, I imagine it's closed, bro. Kavin's gonna crash out for the second time.
Oh, bro, yeah, we are going pretty late. Imagine they don't give us the burger, bro.
Bro, I want you to have like the most craziest crash out, bro. Like just like fucking.
Guys, Kavan is the shortest tempered guy that I know.
Two things. First of all, I won't say burger. And second, I won't crash out for food and all. I'll just be like, fuck.
Oh, really? Go watch yesterday's vlog.
Yeah, yesterday, bro, that is crash out. He's saying, I want you to like, lose your shit like that. For food and all, I won't do that. There's always going to be food somewhere. I'll go home and eat worst case. It was just annoying.
Bro, he'll say this now, okay?
Yeah, but then
man,
crashes out.
Hey, you asshole. You said you want some max level crash out. I'm not saying I won't crash out. Like, it'll be like yesterday.
Talking about crash outs, guys, just 5 minutes back, we were giving Kavan a lecture because Kavan cannot take people cutting him off on the road, okay? Like, if somebody just cuts him off while driving, he loses his shit. Like, we tell him, bro, you do shit like this, you get into a road rage, someday what if some gunda just pulls a gun on you?
Yeah, bro, there's already a video on it, bro. Kavin?
That guy didn't have a gun.
That guy didn't have a gun, but what if he had like a knife or something? Remember that day? Guys, remember that day he got into a road rage here?
Yeah, and then we started swinging for Kavin. Like,
Yeah.
bro, we can't save you all the time, bro, Kavin.
Correct, bro.
I mean, it's not like we saved him, he saved himself, but what if you're alone, bro?
Kavin, imagine that day you were alone, bro, and he called Tony.
Bro, first of all, you guys are fucking forgetting that I did the right thing for the first time in my life. that day.
Actually, he did. Yeah,
that
I forgot.
nobody wants to
Guys,
remember.
that day Kavin did not escalate, okay? The other Bobby kept escalating. Kavin actually tried to de-escalate, but then Kavin lost his shit when that Bobby kept following
There's
Kavin
a
around.
limit, bro. First time, like, yeah, bro, fine. Sometimes I shouldn't get angry and all, bro.
Anyways, Bobby, basically I'm saying Kavin is short-tempered while he's driving, and also if he doesn't get food on time, he gets a little annoyed. And he annoys everybody else also. So
actually, yesterday, not that I didn't get food on time, that I got food which was like, okay, not as good as it always is, but it was just there, bro. 6 plates, I was just eating it. Like, I get why you sent it back, but I wouldn't have. Considering that next 1 hour.
Bro, I think if Hari wasn't there, we wouldn't have sent it back, bro. Hari is like very particular on quality control. He does not fuck with even the slightest variation. He'll send back the food and he'll be like, the fuck, you're charging service tax for all this bullshit. What is this? He fights by the law.
It's good in a way, bro. Should
He
be
fights
like
by the law.
Yeah. Bro, yesterday, the way he said, what you gave, that was the best that you gave. No, that was the worst only.
Yeah, so yesterday when we went to Sitara Dakshin restaurant, the waiter suggested that you must have our Kesari Tandoori some shit, okay? That's the best selling item. Hari called the waiter after eating it and he's like, sir, you told your best-selling item. No, that's literally the worst item possible. It felt like frozen food he mentioned. So, Hari does not fuck with quality control, guys. Here we are in front of Smash Guys Bobby's. We are number 5 in line. Can you show us? So, we are number 5 in line. There are 5 parties ahead of us.
Four, we are the fifth.
Oh, sorry.
Last time also he got it wrong.
Last time we said 5 people.
I
This
know,
time
this
different.
time-
He's found it
Guys,
different way.
I think I should really stop vlogging and getting good sleep because my brain is not braining these days. Yeah, so there are 4 parties ahead of us and then we shall enter. And guess what? Top G is also coming, guys.
Gawar Top G.
Gawar Top G.
Top cover.
Oh, Top G means Top Gawar.
Oh, actually makes sense.
That makes sense. I thought you meant that.
No, I didn't mean that.
Oh, you didn't mean-
I just said Top Gawar.
Bobbies, we are seated here and guess what? Top G is also here. Oh, not bad. I'll take that. Oh.
That was good. Oh yeah.
Okay, not bad. Hari has already eaten Bobby's. So you're just gonna watch.
Yeah, I'm just gonna watch.
Respect. Here's the Oklahoma Lamb Smash Burger Bobby's. How was it, brother? Same as last time? Kavin's eyes just roll back when the food is good, bro. Look at the cross section, Bobby's. You can see the meat, some cheese, chimichurri, pickle. Good stuff. Done with the meal, Bobbies. We're now walking towards Corner House. I think Corner House has shut, but let's see. Let's try our luck. Because Corner House shuts early, right? Indiranagar is a residential area. So we'll go there. We'll get the malt chocolate fudge. Top G Hari didn't eat anything, bro.
I'm not even gonna eat ice cream, bro.
I just want to walk like him.
Damn. You just wanna
Walk like you.
walk like me? I have a weird walking style.
Yeah, this is
That's how I walk. Yeah, I point my feet outwards because I have that fat man walk, right? Yeah.
That's why he probably he's hurting walking like that.
He hurting walking like that, bro.
Bro, my knee wouldn't hurt from my walking style because I grew up like that, right? Your body
You grew up
adapts. It's still open, Bobbies. I think they're taking their last orders. So let's go get it. Order placed, Bobbies. We're getting the malt chocolate fudge. Bobbies, look who pulled up.
He will this thing.
What happened?
I don't mind having it.
Yeah.
I'm not showing your car, don't worry.
It's shady as him.
It's shadier than him, bro. Come inside.
You're able to see.
Come. Yeah, we're able to sit, boss. Alright, Bobbies, we're
Bro,
eating.
it's that guy. It's that guy who sits in the car and being like, bro, you know what I'm talking about, no?
Yeah, I know what you're talking
It's
about.
that guy getting out of the car, bro. Right?
Oh, okay, that long hair guy, right?
Long head guy.
Oh, that Bangalore creator, if you're watching this, what's up, bro? You make nice reels.
Oh, that John Dante or some
Oh,
shit.
yeah.
Dude, this guy, no.
Where?
Oh, no, it's just
No, that's not him. This is some random dude with long hair.
Oh, bro, I was ready to throw hands again.
Okay, let's eat, bro. Hold on, Ishok.
Where are we going, dog?
Bro, you think I'll drop food?
You will drop. You will drop.
This dropped yesterday.
Yeah, he dropped today also almost.
Bobbies, it's one shady driver, one shady car, 4 boys,
One shady passenger also.
one. Who's the shady passenger, bro?
Sorry, shady lawyer is a passenger.
Which one is the shady lawyer? Because Nishok is also
Shok is also a
a lawyer, not practicing. You guys don't know what Nishok does for a living, right? We also don't know, guys.
He also.
We also don't. He just makes money somehow.
Some people says he sells Ganesh idols in Hormao.
You sell Ganesh idols, huh?
That's like.
He won't reveal, guys. He won't reveal. Nobody knows.
Others says.
Guess in the comments.
Bro, people have guessed enough, bro.
Others say he starts that that firecracker shed is there, no, during Diwali.
Oh, yeah, firecracker shed. That's a smart business, bro.
That is-
Seasonal business.
Seasonal business. Actually, we can do both, no?
Yeah, he can do both. See, Ganesha time he'll sell Ganesh idol. Diwali time he can sell crackers. Bobbies, we are at a candy store and Adit is buying me. What are you buying me, bro?
Ferrero Rocher.
He's buying me Ferrero Rocher, Bobbies. Bro, come in. Adit is buying us Ferrero Rocher.
Oh, crazy, bro. Finally
Where,
make-
bro? In which shop, bro? I wonder.
Which shop? A candy shop, bro.
Yeah, imported chocolate.
Guys, there is one shady shop here and somehow Adit pulls up to that. Bro, this is 200 rupees.
Bro, this is 130 bucks.
The Diet Coke? Coke Zero, sorry. Imported Coke Zero.
We're living large, bro, today.
Hey, we're living large, yeah. Hey, by the way,
Actually, I'm
some girl commented on yesterday's vlog saying Mr. Shady is also Mr. Handsome. What do you like to say for that?
Do I have a girlfriend?
He has a girlfriend, guys.
That's Adit from his other account, bro.
Oh, that's Adit from his other account. Huh? Makes sense. Makes sense.
How to eat?
Eat all of it at once. You're asking how to eat a Ferrero Rocher. Don't tell me you bite into it.
How you eat it, bro?
How I eat it? Yeah, all at once. Hold, I'll also show. Bobbies, if you guys didn't know how to eat a Ferrero Rocher, today you will learn it on my channel. You're supposed to peel the wrapper without tearing it, okay? And this doesn't go in the bin. You're supposed to store this. Because back when you were kids, this was a fancy chocolate. You get to keep the wrapper and show off. This goes in the mouth. And they're supposed to go on the right side only. If you put it on the left side, you're gay. Right side, you're straight.
Bro,
If you chew it on the left side, then I know your sexual orientation.
I evenly spread it, bro. What does that
You
mean?
only spread it. That means you swing both ways.
That's crazy, bro.
Top G is leaving Bobby's. Today, Nisho gave you a new name. Oh. Top G only, but Top Gawar.
Gawar, huh? Thanks, bro.
What done, Nisho? Have some manners, da. Guys, are you liking this video? Hit the like button. Do it for Top G.
Yeah, bro. Hit the like button.
What happened?
This is why people think they're twins,
Hey,
bro.
hold, bro. Even I'll remove. Talking what? Indranagar has to see some real guns now.
Guys,
Thumbnail.
again he was gonna hit on.
Thumbnail.
Guys,
Magnifying glass is crazy, bro.
the two twins and dad, bro. Dad should stay in the middle and the two twins should be around him.
Wearing that big man t-shirt, bro.
Bro, you guys will get on trend now, what?
Trend, no?
Trend.
What makes you believe that I'm not already, bro?
Guys, don't do drugs.
Shady guys saying don't do drugs. No, Mr. Shady is leaving, guys.
Bro, it doesn't need to be in the vlog.
It has to, bro.
Alright, see you boys. Stay safe. Don't get caught.
Thanks, bro. Don't get caught, guys. Bobbies, we are back to Nisho's apartment. My car is parked here. Kavin's dropping us off. Thanks, to Kavin. Today, full petrol I saved.
Yeah, bro.
Even me, bro.
Nishok every day free pickup and drop. Like we literally pick him up from his house, drop him back to his house, to his lift, bro.
Body exclusive,
Bro,
bro.
Nishok spends nothing on fuel, bro. His own transport, also electric scooter.
Exactly, man. He uses Ather, which is electric. His dad pays electricity bill. Crazy. Nishok zero transportation cost.
Safeguarding from the current political situation.
Yeah, smart
Yeah,
move, bro.
predicted
He predicted it long back. Yeah, he knew that there'll be a gas crisis. Alright, boys, that's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.
Bye. Bye.